Hi, this project is scrapping a practical guide to data visualization using Selenium and Python. And this is my source code. Now I am showing the running process of this project. So first I copy this file path and then compile on Anaconda prompt. In Anaconda prompt, first I change the directory. After that I enter my running command. In this project my running command is python app.py. Now it's written the one local URL. Okay, this is my local URL. Once I copy this and put it on Chrome. Okay, this is my home page. Here we can scrap our data. So first I enter the website name and then I want to enter the which data I want to scratch. So first I enter my website Amazon and then I enter the my data what I wanted. So I need a books under 500. So after that I click the submit button. Here another tab is opened here. Here our module scrap all the data. It's take little bit times. In that way we can easily gather the important data from websites. Okay, now it's completed. We can view the data by click the view details. So now I click the view data button. So here we can see all the data, product name and then that's rating and stars and product price. If you want to go the back, so click the back. If I want to clear the history, so just I enter the new chat. So it's automatically clear the previous data also. Thank you for watching.